Hello guys, here's Adam from ESA. Today I'm coming to Guangzhou Dongsheng Biotech Limited Corporation. Our company was founded in 2005 as a leading high-tech company in life science industry. We have been dedicated to providing high-quality life science products and in virtual diagnostics reagents to customers all over the world. And today I'm glad to be here to make a tour guide for you. So without further ado, let's get started.
We understand that customer satisfaction is key to success. Our experienced team is dedicated to answering customer questions promptly and thoroughly. What's more, our product line includes a variety of reagents for molecular biologic research and diagnosis, covering ordinary PCR, fluorescence quantitative PCR, NGS library preparation, nucleic acid electrophoresis, and more.
At GDS Biologic, we specialize in research and development, production, and sales of molecular biologic reagents. As you can see that there are many experienced staffs in here. They are all available to meet your requirements and give you full customer satisfaction. They work very close so that they can communicate with each colleague and solve problems for you. Now let's move to our laboratories. We have various testing equipment in here. Our technicians conduct research and development experiments, design new formulas, make samples for tests, improve our formulas, and continue to test. Our new product is born from here.
We pride ourselves on the quality of our products. With strict quality control standards in place, we ensure that every product delivered is of the highest quality. In addition to our product quality, we are also committed to order efficiency and timely delivery. Customers can count on us to deliver their orders on time and with care. Competitive pricing is another advantage that sets us apart from competitors. We strive to maintain reasonable prices without compromising on product quality or service.
Alright, that's pretty much about today's video. Thanks for listening and watching. By the way, if you have any inquiry, please feel free to contact us in anytime, and I hope to make friends with you for the cooperation. Thank you.
ESA.com. Make global trade easier.